Hello, welcome. What's happening with you guys? Welcome to the online ambassador platform. My name is Ados Michael. What's happening? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're staying safe. Today, I just want to bring you a good news. Here at Break the Family, we say good news, good news, good news. Now, the good news I'm bringing to you right now is how you can actually get your premium team and plugin that are actually going to, work for you on all the sites that you want to create. The most important thing in Break It Academy, especially my own part, which is the entrepreneurship and ICT capacity building training, where we train you on website design, mobile app development, cyber security, YouTube channel creation, social media integrations, and how you can also start, putting out your business on Facebook ads, to reach out to people who will eventually turn out to be your customer and also paying cost clients. And this platform allows me to, you know, teach you how to from scratch create your own website. And the process of doing this, you need to actually have one thing in mind first, which is the purpose of why you want to design a website for the first place. Then once you're okay with that and you're ready, you've gotten the purpose why you want to design, you've seen what you want to design, you know you know check it out and say, okay, I think I want to go into uh, online business. I want to manage my business that is offline, bringing it to the online. Everything that you want to do requires you to actually have your website up and running. And we know that a lot of times, because we have actually researched that we're going to be buying a domain name, we're going to be buying a host plan, we're going to be buying security, we're going to be buying team, we're going to be getting plugins. All these things makes you start thinking, how much will I spend? But let me tell you the truth. Even though we know, all my students that have come through knows eventually how much you're going to spend in getting all this. And even though when we charge clients XYZ amount, we all know how much you're going to get that. Now, but the most important thing is, instead of you going spending, $67, $69, $80, $90, $55 to actually get each one team that you need, I'm going to be giving you right now access. While it's yearly, though it's more of, I wanted to make it lifetime access, but I wanted to also understand that you can also do what, for a yearly access, which is just 10,000 naira, to actually have a complete whole package for you. Now, you can decide to just download all the package at once. Once you pay your 10,000, you can decide to download all. It's up to you. So, but next year, I also expect you to renew, because one, every week I do updates on all the themes and plugins on my website. I actually get the latest update to update them. So it's not that you're buying it and you don't have access. No, you're always going to have full time update every week. So for that, even if you actually decide to download all, next year, if you feel you need the latest updates, you can also renew your subscription. So it's not by force. So, and I tell you, even if you have a team, doesn't mean you must update it. But it's good, because most of the times, after you install a team and you're working, everything is fine. But because a lot of updates has been done from the end, where we actually create this team, we need to also some bugs, some things that are not really working well. We've updated it and it's working perfectly well. So it requires you to update, just like you actually have a mobile phone that you actually download and install from any of the Play Store, App Store. Now, some once in a while you see updates. Updates, it gives you a lovely, interface, a lovely look and functionality. So right now, I'm also going to be introducing you to what team does. Like right now, you see that this side is, which is one of my side, is looking very cool. Part of the reason why it's looking so cool is because a lot of a lot of things have been put in, and you see the way every of the looks, you see all the animation, how everything goes slowly and all that. So it's cool. You can do a lot of things you want to do here. You can actually ask for my phone number, chat me directly on WhatsApp. You can do all those parts. It's also cool and all the functionalities. And if you see my website, you check the About Us page, you see it's actually cool. You actually have a lot of new, interface. See, get to meet me, and also all this. You can actually get to see all the things that I do, and all that. So the most important thing is what I'm trying to make you understand is the team is the, whole junction box of your website. It gives you access to want to actually have a nice look website, have lovely interfaces and all that. Now you go to my ebook, you see something different also there. So on my website, what I did is I make sure that every page have something unique, that the moment you go in, you'll be wowed, to see what I have in there. So much lovely stuffs and a lot of things that you need to also learn and also get. I have my ebooks, I have a lot of goodies for you here which you need to come through. It's lovely, and all these are that. If I go again to my podcast section, you're going to be seeing something different that will blow your mind. Now these are work of theme, and sometimes or most times we that have gone into the business for a long time, we also have how we can customize some css and make sure some things have been put in place where usually it's not there. So I have also a lot of podcasts. Also, you can actually also subscribe to my podcast channel. You can actually get a lot of things over here. It's lovely. Now what I'm trying to do today is to show you something that you will love. When I say something that you love, I have a premium team here. The idea is to give you this team for almost free, because one, you're going to be using this team anytime the way you want it is going to be here for you. Now all in one WordPress technical tools, that's actually what I gave it as a name. The idea is to sell this for you at affordable price. Now I'm not going to just sell only one for you. I need to slow down. I need to sell all these. They're actually all the top best-selling premium themes and plugins with documentation, full content demo to install, support, and 100% legal. And you can equally use them on unlimited website. So you see, under these tech tools include 100 premium team plus, team worth this amount of money, $5,000, top 300 plus premium team plus plugin worth about $15,000. All these are over, it's a bundle. So all these are what we am having for you. All this money that you're supposed to actually pay is actually going to be also what I'm going to be giving you for 1 year. 1 year, I will allow you to actually have all this. No team that you're looking for that you are not going to see here. All these are actually teams, best top teams that are in existence that you need to see. These are great teams, and these are what I'm also giving you access to. And if you see, all these are also, you need to save this amount of money. Normally on these, if you're buying, this is $59 usually, but all this amount of money you see here are what you're supposed to pay originally to get them. But I'm giving you all also access just for 10,000 naira. You're going to get access to all these teams, and when I scroll down, you're going to see also top 300 plus absolute most have plugins for WordPress, WooCommerce for free. So I'm saying you should save like about almost $15,000+ to actually have unlimited use of this. Now page builders, you can actually have plugins. All these are page builders, different kind of page builders in case you want to build your website from scratch by yourself. These are there. Then you also want optimization. These are what you also get. You can actually get all this. Then you can actually see how it works. All this is a security. All these stuffs I'm also going to be giving you them for almost free, because 10,000 naira, it's a very big money, but at the same time it's not worth paying for such, because you can't even, when I mean it's not worth paying, is you can't even afford to use 10k to buy even up to 4 or 5 of these very teams that I'm giving you all access for 10,000 naira. So you have them, you can design as many websites, you can download them and keep them, you can do all the things you want to do with them. If you feel, since I have 1 year, let me just download everything and keep. Well, it's up to you. All I'm asking you to do is to just pay me just 10,000 naira, and everything you see here, I'm still scrolling, I'm still scrolling, a lot. The funny thing is, what I did is every single thing that I know is a solution for you, or I don't pack all of them put for you, so that you know go begin to think of, oh wow, how can I get this? Which one is this? Everything is there. You want to go into affiliating, there you get it. You want to also have a nice shop where you sell your electronics and sell your gadgets. All of them are here. So a lot of stuffs are here for you. So all these guys are all for you for just 10,000 naira only. So what are you waiting for? All you need is to come down here and click buy now, so you can actually have this yearly access for 10k only. It's not a big deal. After payment, please, you just have to fill this form and let me just have your details and give you access to get all that you want to get. Is 10k. So what are you waiting for? You want to make sure you have your website up and running? Yeah, you have all that waiting for you. So until I hear from you, they are not yours until you make it yours. So quickly go down, pay your 10k and all for life. Yeah, when I say for life, see somebody say, oh boy, I could just do what? I could just pay 10k, I could download everything where I want to download. Yeah, it's possible. Come on, go get it. It's all yours right now. Till I come your way next time, I still remain your one and only Amadurs Michael for the online ambassador. See you out there.